This video was developed to illustrate the importance of proper procedure for seal and gland nut replacement. Start by breaking the gland nut free. Once loose, it should turn by hand. Important: improper removal and replacement of the gland nut and or seal assembly by sliding it over the rod end will cause the seal to leak because the clevis pin hole in the ram is very sharp and will cut the seal, creating a hydraulic leak and a dissatisfied customer. Remove the plunger from the tube. Remove the split bearing. Remove the spacer. Then slide the gland nut off the bottom side of the plunger. Taking the gland nut off the top of the plunger can cut your seals on the gland nut. Replace the gland nut with a new one. Slide the new gland nut onto the plunger from the bottom side. Place the spacer onto the plunger. Place the split bearing onto the plunger. Slide the plunger back into the cylinder tube. Make sure to torque your gland nut to 150 to 180 foot-pounds. Thank you for watching.